Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Now, we've had a little bit of buying come into the market over the weekend, which has been really good, especially yesterday. Bitcoin closed above the $45,000 mark, which is a really good sign for us. We didn't see too many trends forming leading into that level. We sort of flattened out and then just broke out quite a statement candle as well, especially on the daily. So that's exactly what we're after. We're either wanting a statement candle to break out through that level or a rejection. We didn't get the rejection, so we got a breakout. So what I'd like to see now is a nice pullback. A pullback to that level with a bullish candle on that level would be good. Failing that, look, I can't see why we won't continue on buying up to this and test this $52,000 mark like we have in the past. It's going to be a few days away, maybe even weeks. So let's just see what happens. There's no trends on any of the time frames really on Bitcoin. But if we have a look at, I think ApeCoin was the first one, we are beginning to see a trend. So we had a level drawn in here this morning where we tested a few times with a bit of a trend leading up to that break. We've broken through. Now we just need that pullback into that cradle zone for cradle trades. Yeah, let's just see what happens on ApeCoin. It's a rather new coin on FTX, so there's not too much data on that. Cello was another one that we're watching. We've got a bit of a level through here, so a pullback to that level would be good on the 4 hour. Link was another one I was watching. I think it was the 2 hour. We're starting to get a trend forming, so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're pushed up, a pullback to this level, sort of in line with these two highs on the 2 hour. A pullback to that level, bullish candle in that cradle zone. Yeah, I'll definitely want to know about that. Badger, again on the 2 hour, we've got a really nice trend forming. We've pushed higher, pull back, push higher, pull back into that cradle zone. On the 2 hour, the 4 hour looks good as well. So yeah, Badger's definitely in the list. Now Phantom was one I wanted to point out. There were some beautiful trades that formed on Saturday, so over the weekend. This 4 hour cradle here on Phantom, we pushed through this level, pullback. This is what we want to see on these other coins, where we're waiting for a pullback to a level, right on that level, bullish candle in the cradle zone, and then just take off. So Phantom was there. Phantom was an outstanding trade. Matic was another one on the 8 hour. We pull back into the cradle zone and we've just pushed higher. So what we're waiting for now is a pullback again on the same time frame. So we've got a nice location for our stop loss to move to and to lock in some profit. And Mana was another one as well that did pull back. We had that bullish candle in the cradle zone, and now we're just waiting for it to push higher and then go through that pullback on the 8 hour time frame. So unfortunately, we don't have a huge watch list for today. Most of the market has just popped up. Now we're just waiting for pullbacks. We can stalk those lower time frames and yeah, watch for pullbacks on especially the 15 and the 30. That's not really my style of trading, but if that is your style of trading, then yeah, definitely feel free to do that. I would prefer a pullback on at least the 1 hour. I'm hoping for pullbacks on the 4 hour. So yeah, it might be a little bit of a waiting game today, but yeah, let's just see how Bitcoin reacts to this, the break of the $45,000 mark, whether we retrace that whole break, which I don't think will happen. But yeah, just a pullback on especially these mid time frames on Bitcoin is something I'll want to know about. So yeah, that's the list for today, guys. If you are in the community, feel free to reach out to myself or Lou, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If not, I will see you guys again on Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.